Hey guys, I thought I would go ahead and film my Ipsy bag unboxing. I haven't done one of these in forever. I always get so bad about it. Each month I just always forget to try and do a video. I don't know why. This is the bag this month. It's really cute. It's got constellations all over it and it's pink and it's like a canvas bag. Ooh, and it has like this little crystal on the zipper. That's really cute. Okay, so let's see. First things first. Here's the card. And I guess the theme is Find Your Light. And I like that they actually like say what the products are that you get. They don't give you prices, but they show you everything that you get, kind of like in BoxyCharm. They used to never do that, so I'm glad they do that now. Okay, so the first thing I pulled out was this Ofra lip gloss by Madison Miller. Smiley for Riley. I don't know if that's the shade name or what, but it's like this really pretty shimmery peachy color. And we'll set that there. You guys like my Hocus Pocus sign? I had to pick it up from Target. I couldn't decide which sign I wanted to get, but I went with Hocus Pocus because it's one of my favorite movies and it's just perfect for this time of year. And I thought it would be really cute in the background. Second thing I got is this Lush eyeshadow, Fire and Ice by City Limits or IBY Beauty, one or the two. And I've gotten eyeshadows like this before. They just come in this itty bitty compact. And that's the shade. It's a pretty dark shade. It's probably one of those like dual chrome type of things, but I'm not going to test it out right now. This is the Hanwoo Watermelon Illuminator Overnight Serum. That's kind of exciting. I'm excited to try this. I think this is the one item I did remember that I was getting. Let's see. There's a couple more things in here. This is the Unicorn Glow Hydrating Primer. That's also really exciting because I always need hydration with my dry skin. It says it has a lightweight gel texture, moisture-infused primer, instantly creates a smooth, glowing canvas for flawless, long-lasting makeup while nourishing and hydrating skin. That sounds promising, so maybe I'll give that a try. And the last thing in here is this IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Cleanser Skin Transforming Hydrating Cleansing Serum. And it's anti-aging. Seems like it's a pretty decent size for something you get in Ipsy. Let me see. I mean, it's tiny, but I mean, it's not a bad size at all. And IT Cosmetics, I can't talk. IT Cosmetics is a really good brand, so I'm excited to give this a try. All in all, I wouldn't say this is like my favorite bag. I do like the bag itself. I think I'm most excited for probably these three things, which is the cleanser, the overnight serum, and the unicorn glow. I'm not excited for this. I'm just not a huge fan of lip glosses. Like, I like my e.l.f. lip plumping lip. Why can't I talk today? My e.l.f. lip plumping lip glosses, but just because like they're not too sticky and I like the way they make my lips feel. Let me feel this on the back of my hand just to see. Oh, and it's not as like brightly colored as I thought. It's like a really pretty, just really nice, like sparkly color. So that might be pretty over like any lipstick, or just to wear by itself. So okay, I'm excited for this. I'll give it a try. Not too excited about this eyeshadow. It doesn't really look like a color I'm too, into. Let me swatch it and see what it looks like before I say anything. Yeah, that's not my favorite. But it doesn't mean I won't use it. I never typically use these itty bitty eyeshadows I get in Ipsy though, so, we'll see. That was my Ipsy bag unbagging. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Do you guys get Ipsy? What did you get this month? Did you enjoy it? Did you hate it? What was your favorite product? Let me know down below. I will try to continue to keep doing Ipsy unbaggings. I just always forget. I don't know why. Like, I do them randomly here and there. Like, I'll do 1 month and then I'll take like 6 months to do another one. I don't mean to. I just forget. But I'll try to keep doing them continuously because I do continue to get Ipsy. So, yeah. I will talk to you guys in my next video.